guys, Queen of Hearts here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be yet another hair review by a company called Janet Collection. Before we get into this video, I did record another hair review for Janet Collection on a unit called the Gabriella. So before you watch this, make sure you head on over and check that video out. But this unit today, like I said, is a unit from Janet Collection. It is called dun, 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 Super Moon. Really love this as well. So this unit is super long. I would say on me, and I'm about 5'3", 5'4", it's probably about 26 inches. I have a unit that's 26 inches and it's about the same length. So yeah, it's really long. It's in the color Honey Blonde. It is also, like the Gabriella unit in my previous video, an extended part wig. So, and I believe it's, let me check. Yeah, it's a deep part lace wig. Style name is Super Moon. And as far as the lace, it does go from ear to ear. I don't have it all the way on just because I don't, but yeah, it's ear to ear, so if the wind blows, you're good. So let me just tell you about a couple of things that I did do to this unit. I did go in and cut some layers in the front. I did really well on this side. This side kind of messed up because it's short here and it won't blend. I also went in and plucked this middle part here. I actually plucked too much at one time and put a hole. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there somewhat. I love this unit. I feel like it matches so well with any skin tone. It is kind of an ombre, as you can see. It's dark up here and then it lightens as it gets to the bottom. Very good gradient effect to this ombre color here. But this is in the color Honey Blonde, and y'all, I love it. So I'll show you what it looks like on the pack. So right now I have brushed it out, so it's not as, like, I would say curly-ish. I brush it out so it can be a little bit more wavy, and I'll brush it again on camera so you guys can see what I'm talking about. As you can see on here, it does come in other colors. This purple, I believe they also have a blue. I feel like I've seen a red too. I'm not too sure, but anyways, it comes in different color variations, but you can see how the curl is a little bit tighter, and I'm gonna go ahead and brush it so you can kind of get what wave effect that I'm going for when I brush it. Hold on. So I'm just gonna brush it, and this unit is very thick, by the way. You can probably hear it. So now you can see how it kind of waves back up versus the tighter curl, and you can see how thick the ends are right here. I would definitely recommend keeping a brush handy, just because it does get kind of clumped together very quickly, but it's a pretty wig. Alright guys, so I am definitely going to add this to my list of favorite wigs. Once you get your part together, it looks very natural. Like I said, I love the color, the length. Y'all know I prefer long hair anyway, so that's a major plus. Let me know if you do purchase this unit. Thank you again to Janet Collection for sponsoring this video and sending me this unit. I'm so in love, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and thumbs up. Comment what videos you would like to see in the future. I appreciate you guys for watching my videos and sticking with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Sorry if you guys hear music in the background. My mom is just in her Friday night mood. But anyways, I forgot to mention, and I don't know why or how, because this is like the biggest plus of Janet Collection. Their wigs are like under $20. You can get this unit now for under $20, baby girl. I'm going to place the website in the description box below. Go get your Super Moon unit and your Gabriella unit. What are you waiting for? Under $20, girl, you can't beat it. You can't beat it.